Hey guys, so let me just give you like the gist of Google Classroom in case you do have to do it for Kay. Don't mind my screen, there's our chat. But I'm just gonna go to a new tab and you're gonna go to Google and you're gonna go to the waffle. And in your waffle you have Classroom. And that's your Google Classroom, so you're gonna click on it. If you have not used Google Classroom before, I don't believe you're going to have any tabs. Aileen, you will because we took a course on it and you do have one. I just don't think you ever used it that year. So, if you do decide to make one, you're going to hit this little plus sign and you are going to create a class and it's going to give you the steps and everything. But I'm not going to do that with you now. I just want to show you like what mine looks like. So I'm going to click on Miss Escobar. And think of it kind of like Facebook. For example, I could write a message on Share with Your Class and I could say, hey class, keep up the good work, and I could post it and they'll be able to see it. What the parents will see when they log on is I always assign or do my schedule through Google Classroom. So they always look for the date and the week and what day it is. Even here, I posted up a poster of our controlled vowels for my parents if they needed it. So, when I click on it, you're not really going to see what it looks like. This is just what I see, and this is what the kids turn in through Google Docs. Honestly, you won't be assigning any Google Docs with your kiddos just because they're so young, and that's just a lot of work. So don't even really worry about that. But when I create an assignment, I go to classwork and I go to create, and I'm going to do an assignment. And then I do the title, which is always the date, blah, blah, blah. And then I'll say, please read our schedule. And then I hit add. And this is where I'm going to add like my YouTube link. This is where I'm going to add my PDF file that I saved onto my Google Drive. This create button is for creating Google Docs. Again, I don't think you're going to need it because that is just way too much for your kiddos. And then that's it. And then what I could actually show you, I'm actually going to log out and I'm going to log in. So this is what a student is going to see. So this is Arden. So she sees Miss Escobar. She's going to click on it, click on the assignment. And what she sees is, please read our schedule for the day. We have our schedule. We have a link. We have the model that I did for today. This is where, I shared a Google Doc with them. Again, you won't need it. So, that's pretty much it. And honestly, that's all Google. I'm sure other teachers might add other things, but I've kept it really simple. And honestly, I don't know too much about it. So, I kind of hope this was, somewhat of a help. But honestly, I feel like we're going to get more information. Yeah, so that's. Hey guys.